Hey.
Hey, MTV, welcome to my crib.
Look at your garland in person looks so cute. This is Tori's apartment. Show the people your table.
The people, this is my table.
And it came with the chairs.
Correct. I think it has on the bottom where it's from.
From the 80s.
It is from Compton, California.
Straight out of Compton?
Was looking for coasters and got these dyed alabaster. One's from Anthropology.
And a chartreuse. Really cute, Tori.
Yeah, it's great.
Thank you. Found this beauty on Facebook Marketplace last night for one heck of a deal. It does come with glass inserts that slide in right here and right here, but I have those tucked off to the side. The interior is painted white except for the shelving, and then down here it's actually painted brown. It's pretty much ready to go to the booth. It just needs to be dusted a little and a price tag added.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
The Christmas corner, not completely demolished, but definitely sold down. Also sold that, here I'll show you, mid-century china cabinet that I had here. Definitely need to put some stuff back to where it was. I'm so upset about that chair. It was actually a pair. Y'all want a little story time? So the red velvet chair that just snapped on me, it came with another chair. There was a pair of them. And it was the same issue with the other chair. And I thought I could possibly fix it. And it was too splintered. But I lied to myself for 6 months and I just held on to it, saying, you know, maybe I'll gain some interesting new skills that'll allow me to fix it. It seems to be Achilles heel for both of the chairs are these front legs. don't know why that, oh, there you go. All right, well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I was wondering why I was getting so grumpy, and then I realized I have not eaten all day. So I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna try my best to see what I can do about that chair. Being hangry and then having that happen with the chair just put me over the edge. I'm gonna look at the chair when I get home and see what I can do. Not looking very hopeful. All right, I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.